Academic block.
Ready.
I'm Miss Animika Roy, and I'm the principal for the Wisdom Tree School, and we are here today for
IC members.
with our IC members for a CBSE inspection. This is our school.
Virendra Kaushik, manager of the school.
Sir, I'm Gitika
Secretary.
Dhingra. I'm Gitika Dhingra. I'm looking after the admissions of the school. So I'm an admission counselor.
I am Vipul Jinder, president of the trust, and we welcome the members of the IC for affiliation till secondary level of the Wisdom Tree School. Mr. Vashisht.
I am Dr. H.S. Vasist. I am the IC member number 1, and I have come for the physical verification or inspection of this Wisdom Tree School. That is number is SL 000662223. And look, we would like to inspect, physical verify each and everything. And my colleague, the second IC member.
Yeah, I'm Aarti Nigam from DPS Aligarh. I'm the second IC member. I'm here to assist Dr. Vashisht for the inspection of Wisdom Tree School. Thank you.
You are member, you are not a
And then we are having gate number 2 over there. All the buses, all the school vehicles will be entering from that particular gate only.
Gate number 2.
Gate number 2. We're having 3 school buses and we're having one eco van. They will be taking the students and they will be coming there. The students who are coming by the bus, they will be using this particular entry.
Okay.
Again, there will be 2 female attendants who will be standing over there accompanying the children to their particular classes.
And there is any female attendant in the bus?
Yes, sir. There is one female attendant in the bus. Along with that, there is one female teacher also in the bus who will be checking the escort card. And at the time of drop also, they will be checking the escort card of the parent, and then only they will be handing over the kid to them.
And there is any RFID system is there?
No, sir. Right now, we don't have an RFID system.
And what is this? I think this is a washroom for the class 4 employees?
Changing room for the
Changing
This
room
is a
also.
changing
Coming
room
up,
for
please
people
take.
who are coming for swimming.
This is for swimming. And this is a splash pool for the children?
So this is splash pool.
Okay. For the small
We're
kids.
having a kind of a small botanical gardens that we have maintained for the students. Basically, they will be coming along with different kind of seeds, the vegetable seeds. So it is like a kitchen garden. When they will be putting this particular thing, so we are having this kind of an activity for the students also. So coming to here.
नहीं मैम ये बता सकते हैं आपके हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ कितने प्लांट हैं आपके यहाँ टोटल?
We have to actually more than 100.
मेक इट नहीं 100 से तो खैर इसी में ज़्यादा
बहुत
है।
More than 1,000 we can say. More than
ये आपको
1,000. No, 1,500.
So maybe more than 600, 700 maybe होंगे, but it's my request to you that you make it more than 1,000.
Yes, we will do.
ठीक है, before this will open, जब तक आप ये काम करा सकते हैं, जितनी प्लांटेशन होगी उतना बेटर है। अब तो सब पीपल के लगेंगे यहाँ पर।
That is an academic building. And this is the playing area for the students.
Guest and all.
Yes,
This is
sir.
the parking.
Okay.
Parking space
And
for
that was
guests.
the area for the buses.
Yeah, school
That
buses.
was the buses.
Yeah.
For buses. And this is the only for admin block. And
Okay. You need to say the children who were coming by the road, they are separate.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
They will be coming from this particular gate, entering from here. Again, there will be 2 female attendants will be standing over there. They will be accompanying the child to this particular block from this end.
And this is the ramp.
This is the ramp.
This is the ramp.
For the special area.
Okay.
And even for the facility staff also, like for the entry, they will be using this gate. And there will be an attendance which will be done, and then only they will be entering into the academic block.
Okay.
Now we are having a CCTV camera, you can see it over there. There is a CCTV camera, and there is a main entry to the academic block. Once the children are sitting over here, like the headmistress and the coordinator.
Coordinator. And she is present today?
Yeah, she is here.
So hi, I'm the academic coordinator of the school. I lead the school in various academic and co-curricular activities, which turn out to be very interesting and very engaging for the children of our school. And co-curricular activities.
Of which classes?
Of all classes, right from pre-nursery to class 8.
Class 8, okay.
Yes, sir.
So, have you heard the name of NEP 2020?
Yes, sir.
What all is there? Have you read it?
Yes, sir. We have read it about NEP 2020 that relates to new education policy for our country.
What are the major changes? Can you please tell me the two major changes the government has made?
The major changes relates to the change in the academic structure. Like as of now, we are having a pattern of 10 plus 2. There we'll have a pattern that is 5 plus 4 plus 1 related to the changes leading to academics, wherein we'll have pre-primary as a formal education also.
Can you just
So is
give
it-
two specifics? Two other specifics, don't bother about this, what you said. Any other two specifics about NEP?
NEP. We can say about
Because we're dealing with junior children.
Yes.
So anything to deal with about junior children that is there in NEP that you would like to share with us?
yes, ma'am. They have incorporated two very important things. One which is learning by doing. Now the children will have to be engaged in the learning activities. There has to be very minimum role of books. The school will have to provide them with the opportunities of learning by doing.
It's a have every time the experiential learning.
Yes, sir.
What is that? Okay, what is, can you please explain me what all these is?
So these are the report cards for the last session. These are the report cards for the last session. These are the photographs that we had kept of our children. The last session children.
Open kariye.
Sure,
What
sure.
all in the photo, this report card, what all you have?
Sure.
Open it.
Like for example, this is the report card of class KGB Kavya Pandey. Here we have the health card of the child.
Health card.
Yes, which we
Okay.
give at the end of the session.
Okay, okay. Take the photo.
So because the children are not coming, so you have the hard copies with you.
Yes, ma'am. We have the hard copies with us.
So have you shared the soft copies
Yes,
with the...
ma'am. We have shared the soft copies. Along with it, we have a school ERP portal wherein we have uploaded the report cards also.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you please tell me any experiences which you will feel that there is a wow moment in this particular school while you are dealing with the small kids? Any moment?
So there was a child who used to be very shy coming to school, coming in the school. I clearly remember the name of the child, Kavya. He was in pre-nursery when he joined us. The pre-nursery teachers loved him, motivated him coming to school. We had a play area, we had learning moments wherein he used to make letters and numbers using his own little hands over sand. He would come down to the garden, he would play. This really encouraged him to come to school. He had made a lot of friends then.
So you enjoy and child will also enjoy. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That's good. You can see which class is going on. Please come. Ma'am.
There are children and a teacher is sitting over there. Okay? So there are not only one child. Even you can see 4 to 5 children are there and one teacher is also teaching over there. Okay? So these are the collective nouns. Collective nouns, a group of people. You can see a group of people are there, okay, in the surrounding area. And here we are not talking about only this picture. Whatever you means talk about in the collective thing, that considered as a collective noun. Okay? It can be crew, caste, audience, class committee, whatever. Okay? So that is the collective noun. Common noun, when we talk about the common things. When we talk about only cat, table, chair, that are basically common noun. But when we specify
separate entries and everything.
Plus to this
As
you
per the
can
policy department.
plus to this you can see that there are AC plays in each and every class. Plus to this we are having a projector. We are having a green board also so that the students can come to know what exactly the green board is. Plus to this we are having speakers. Plus to this we are having this projectors connected to the speakers. There is a music system and there is a computer system also. So we are having teaching methodology of both the types, like also. The teacher is totally free, and at the same time they can study from the blackboard thing also.
So you have the audio visual as well as the traditional.
Yes. Plus to this, you can see a CCTV camera over there. The principal is also having an access from her room. She can having access to the classroom. And plus to this is a speaker connected to the admin block. If there is any kind of an announcement that has to be done, we are doing from this particular
Public announcement.
Yes. Yes. Fine.
So this is for the boys.
Yes, so this is for the boys.
And although open करके photograph.
There is a CCTV in the college.
Emergency.
There is an arrow placed over there. We are
Of your assembly that you have.
of the day and everything should be telling how we are studying.
Please tell what all that you have for the children.
Take the bat out or the whatever. These are the batons.
Yes, the baton.
Not the bat.
Is the ring for the
आप मास्क करके आराम से बता दीजिए.
हिंदी में बता दीजिए, जोर से बोलिए.
दिस इज स्केटिंग. हम अपने बच्चों का जितने भी स्केट्स हैं यहाँ पर रखवाते हैं जिससे कि बच्चे बस में लेके आते हैं उनसे प्रॉब्लम ना हो. और ये बैट ये हडल्स हैं, स्मॉल हडल्स. बड़े हडल्स भी हमारे पास ऊपर रूम में रखे हुए हैं हडल्स रेस के लिए. जो हॉकी स्टिक है, हॉकी जब हम बाहर प्लेइंग करते हैं हॉकी आउटडोर ग्राउंड में तो हम हॉकी यूज़ करते हैं. हॉकी ये हॉकी स्टिक है हमारे पास 20 हॉकी स्टिक है. तो एक बार में हम 20 हॉकी स्टिक और फुटबॉल और बास्केटबॉल्स और ये हमारे कराटे इक्विपमेंट्स भी हैं यहाँ पर.
So this is a landscape model from where we can tell them the various terrains, various strategies. So this is basically landscape model is there. Yeah. So we are having different kinds of models. We are shifted to first.
पहले काफी से फर्स्ट फ्लोर ठीक.
हाँ.
वो सारी
जो बेसिक अभी स्टार्ट किया था एक्टिविटी
लॉकडाउन में हर एक आदमी को प्रोजेक्टर है और आपके
But all your classes are smart classes.
हम भी कोविड के बाद थक गए.
So this is sick room. So we are having oxygen cylinders in the school. So we are having oxygen cylinders in the school. We are having a wheelchair. Plus this, there are 2 beddings. We are arranging for more beddings also. And plus this, we are maintaining the record also for the child. And she is a trained nurse.
Okay.
Can you see your record, please? Did you get it?
So each side is according to the class. Like for pre-nursery, nursery and KG, we are having a different set. It is according to their sizes. From class 1 to
I think this is nowadays during the lockdown. This is the room for the teachers. So you have Wi-Fi system in every classroom. Jio?
नहीं ये वो पहले से यहाँ पर
harmonium is there, guitar is there, and the piano is there.
Is that working?
We have to make the connections.
ये
These we have single rod abacus.
But all other things that to learn the mathematics is there because we are not aware of anything in mathematics. तो कुछ बता दीजिए हमें.
This is how we explain area of triangle.
Okay.
And this geoboard we use for senior wings to explain the shapes of geometrical shapes.
एक कोई बता दीजिए, एक कोई बता दीजिए. दूसरे आई थिंक अदर साइड लोग बनते हैं.
So these rubber bands we use to.
You can bring it on the table and display.
Yeah. So this rubber band, like we have to introduce the circle. So we always start with a point. Okay, any geometrical shape we always start with a point. Suppose we take a rubber band, this we can introduce the concept of radius and diameter. Like from the center to any point on the circle, the radius is always same. Radius is from point to connecting any point to the circle. So from this we can conclude the, we can discuss the concept of like from center of the circle to any point on the circumference of the circle, the distance will be same. The measurement will be same.
And this vertical line is 27.32%.
So this is the ratio of radius to the ratio of circumference.
That's good.
All these are the artistic okay.
कितने आर्टिकल हैं और तो लाइब्रेरी ये take the photograph of all books.
Ma'am, we have 1650 books.
Okay.
1651 is मुझे कुछ बोलो तो मैं नहीं. 1651 NCERT class 9 NCERT class 9 आ जाइए फोटो ले लीजिए
लास्ट पेज पे
आप करें इसके जो लेंस की बजाय ना आप हीटिंग के आजकल आते हैं छोटा सा तो हीटिंग के जो इलेक्ट्रिक लगा उसमें सब हो जाता है